Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x multiplied with e to the power of negative x squared dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. We put about u equal to x squared, du equal to 2x dx. Because we don't have the number 2 in here, so we divide both sides with number 2. This one we change for u. X dx we change for du over 2. Next, the integral of e to the power of negative u, you will get about negative e to the power of negative u plus c. About u, we need to change back for x squared. That's the end. Thank you for watching.